So in this video, we're gonna go through the Scout app. Uh, Basically here it is. Discover new locations. It started to grow in the social networking categories, social networking charts on the App Store, and it's quite interesting app. This app can help you to discover new locations, and also just find them, buy them, and also you can earn revenue as a seller. So how does it work? Browse the home feed for location in your vicinity as well as those posted by your favorite scouters. Use the explore page to scout locations for upcoming trips or your next shoot. Once you selected your perfect location, unlock the exact coordinates. Who can become a scouter? Anyone. Scout gives everyone the opportunity to get involved and earn in the industry, allowing you to feel valued for your unique perspective. We are a community that bridges the gap between location scouts, users, and content creators. How are scouters rewarded? So Scout provides an incentivizing platform that rewards you for creating and sharing unique locations. So let's just open the app and I will show you the functionality. I need to say that the app is like still pretty young. There are some bugs and glitches sometimes. Sometimes the app quits itself. So the whole idea is as it is. So it looks like Instagram, but you just find this image, for example, and you want to figure out, okay, this looks nice. I'm visiting Copenhagen. I want to know where is it. And here is the catch. So I need to tap unlock. I will see the location rating. But again, as you see, the app is pretty young, so there aren't that much ratings and all of that. I can see the address, but if I want to see the exact pin, I need to pay. So here I need to tap unlock location and I need to buy bundle, and then I want to unlock this photo for $199. And the other bundle is 30 unlocks for $44.99. So this bundle will save you the most money. It's great for pre-planning a long trip where you'll be visiting multiple new cities and regions. No more wasting time finding the best spots in an unfamiliar area. Something around it. And you would say, why would I pay for it? Well, I also questioning that, will I pay for that? I think it is possible only I think if it's like really amazing spot, or like, if you find some hidden gem somewhere in the city, you really want to get there, you really want to get that exact view. So like $2, why not? Also then, as a creator, you can create your own account, and then, for example, I added my secure location. Here, because I added it, you can see the location of it. But if someone wants to unlock it, people will pay for that, and then part of that revenue will go to me as a creator. So that's kind of interesting model. You can create your account, you can add your usernames here. Also, when you create your account, you can just add like your payout information, which is basically your PayPal account. So that's also just very easily set up. And it's kind of like Instagram look. You can see your unlocks, you can see your saved locations, and all of that. So basically, also to add a postal location, you just tap here. Then you can just add something like this. Then you just tap next. You can post this location, and then you need to drag the pin to exact location. If it is social post, you need to add some additional information. Then there are all these tips. You can add them here, like season, weather, months, time of day, and some other like general tips. And then you can use it like as public or private, and then you post it. And basically, if your post goes viral and everyone wants to discover where this post is, you can actually get some payouts from that. So that's the idea of the app. And also on the second tab from the left, you can see all the locations everywhere in the world. So that's basically it. That's the idea of the app. That's how it works. You can, yeah, again, you can share your profile, you can edit profile. The one thing is that there aren't that many users yet. So for example, in Copenhagen, there are just like few people literally here. So the user base is not that big at the moment. But I think it will be growing because interesting idea, like it has much more bigger like monetization potential. And yeah, it's a cool feature. Like for example, if you see this on Instagram and you see some cool like sky view or some like hidden rooftop bar or some like hidden graffiti somewhere in New York or some like Banksy painting, like you would be interested in where that Banksy painting is located. But to see the exact location, you actually need to pay. So imagine integrating that feature in Instagram. That would be pretty interesting. Sorry. So that's basically the idea of the app. Try it out. It's free to sign up, and then just you can enjoy it. Let's see if it takes off and there are more and more users. This is social apps. You never know. So here you can see the only thing when reading. It says you can sell our content we upload to anyone. A lot of photographers, creators want someone to sell their content without knowing which media it will be used for. So there is some issues in the privacy policy, I guess, in terms of use. So yeah, looks like this app is actually just developed by indie developer or something. And it's amazing like monetization concept, and out of nowhere this app is right now like really started, it's getting in the top charts, top 200 apps for social networking. And if a lot of people will catch it up, it can go to top 100 apps, and then from top 100 it easily can go like to top 10 for a few days, and then yeah, so it's very interesting. So search for this app, the Scout app, especially if you're into travel, if you want to travel this summer or autumn or all the year round, and yeah, want to do it in more social way and find some interesting spots around the planet. So try out this app and help the developers. It can really be interesting. I'm just curious, maybe also Instagram will just take this idea and integrate at some point in the app. It can be also amazing like monetization opportunity. Of course, you have all this like similar features on Google Maps. So this app is kind of mix of Instagram and Google Maps. In Google Maps, you can become a local guide and you can earn points and some rewards. I don't think it's monetization rewards, but anyhow, if you just go around some places and reward them and leave some some comments and help tourists or local people to just find these places, you will get like a local guide badge and all of that. And in this app you don't have that. That's what it is. Anyhow, hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Check out my website mrhack.io. If this video was helpful, you can go on YouTube and check out like Super Thanks, help me with Super Thanks feature. Check out my merch and see you around.